Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Citrus Hotel's lobby. It has a very nice design. And then here is the room. You can see this is the bathroom. They provided us with 2 shampoo and then 2 soaps and of course 2 toothbrushes. They also provided us with 2 towels and a shower. So the bathroom is a little bit big. Can move very easily, and they give us a TV, but the room is a little bit dark because there are not too much light. The bed very comfy. This is the twin bedroom. Then they gave us the sofa where you can put your bags here or let your guests in. And then on the table they gave us the water heater and then 2 mineral bottles, a refrigerator, and 2 sachets of coffee cola, and they gave us these hangers. So this is how you can go to Citrus Hotel, and you can book it from Agoda, booking.com or hotels.com.
Hi everyone, thank you for checking out my video. I'm Eva, a traveling enthusiast. For more traveling videos or hotel reviews, please click subscribe down here and give me a lot of likes. Thank you and see you in the next video.